तेलंगाना की हुकूमत जमात बीआरएस एमएलसी की कविता ने कहा कि अंबेडकर खवातीन के हकूक के लिए खड़े हुए थे। कविता ने लंदन में अंबेडकर म्यूजियम का दौरा किया। उन्होंने कहा कि डॉक्टर अंबेडकर के जज्बे के साथ खवातीन को रिजर्वेशन की फराहमी को यकीनी बनाया जा रहा है और हम आने वाले दिनों में पार्लियामेंट में 181 खवातीन को देखने जा रहे हैं। कविता ने मरकजी हुकूमत पर खवातीन रिजर्वेशन बिल के मामले में शफाफ तरीके से काम ना करने का इल्जाम लगाया। उन्होंने कहा कि खवातीन के रिजर्वेशन में ओबीसी कोटा फराहम नहीं किया गया। इस सिलसिले में लड़ाई लड़ी जाएगी।
Largest democracy, and if we were to leave half of our population at home, it was certainly not going to help our country. And we realized that, all the parties realized that, all of the leadership realized that. So that is how I believe this bill became a reality. And in fact, it's very interesting to know a little bit about the background towards this bill. While the Constitution was being created in the 1950s, after the British left us in 1947, during the 1950 constitutional debates, many women leaders like Sarojini Naidu, many of them, in fact, said we don't need quota for women. You know, we fought shoulder to shoulder with you during the independence movement, and we will survive in the political arena, and we will come into the parliaments and assemblies. So they refused to have quotas, because the quotas for the marginalized sections like scheduled caste, scheduled tribes was discussed, and it became a part of Indian Constitution in 1950 when we enacted the Constitution. So women then were so confident